Alright, so today in this video we're going to take a good look at this board. It's a sensor board that we use. So first let's plug it in, close the circuit breaker. Everything turns on, but oh look! The Robo-Rio! It's not lighting up. Doesn't seem to be getting any power. Well, one way we can troubleshoot this problem is by using the multimeter. Alright, so let's unwrap the wire from the multimeter. And switch it to check for voltage. Alright, this setting checks for voltage between 2 points. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 2 leads of the multimeter and put them in the 2 power ports for the Robo-Rio to see if the Robo-Rio is getting any voltage. As you can see, there is no voltage passing between the 2 points on the Robo-Rio, meaning that it is not getting any power. Alright, so if that's the case, and as you can see, everywhere around the electrical board, everything else is on. So that means the problem must be with the PDP. So now we're going to check the fuse. Now for checking the fuse, we will switch the multimeter to continuity. As you can see, there is 0 continuity because 2 leads are not touching anything. That's continuous. Alright, so now we're going to put the 2 leads to the 2 points of the fuse. As you can see, there is continuity as shown by the beep emanating from the multimeter. So let's put the fuse back in. So the problem is not with the fuse. Alright, now, so let's check that the multimeter is working. There's continuity there. Alright, so if there's nothing wrong with the fuse and there's something wrong with the power supply, we should now check the power leads from the PDP to the Robo-Rio. Oh look, one of the leads has not been stripped. It's a common error. Do try to avoid that. Alright. Alright, so now let's really quickly fix the problem as per safety. Just gonna get the stripper. Push the red button on the circuit breaker to cut power to the system. Safety is very important. Strip the wire. You should all already know how to do that. And put the newly stripped leads into the port. So this is just one of the many ways you can use the multimeter to troubleshoot your electrical board. I hope you found this video very informative, and if you have any questions, feel free to email team1403 Cougar Robotics. Thank you.